Hi. In this tutorial series, we are going to learn about Git. Git is like a time machine for your files and projects. It keeps track of every change you make, so you can go back to an older version anytime if something breaks. It also lets multiple people work on the same project without messing up each other's work. Think of it as a super smart notebook that remembers every edit you've ever made. In this first chapter, we are going to see how to set up Git and its configurations on our computer and what other things we need to install. We are going to install Git, GitHub, and Visual Studio Code. Do not confuse Git and GitHub. GitHub is a website where you can store your Git projects online. Think of Git as the tool that keeps track of changes in your project, and GitHub as the online library where you can keep those projects safe, share them, and work together with others. So, Git is the engine that tracks changes. And GitHub is the cloud platform to store, share, and collaborate using Git. Okay. First, we need to install Git on our computer. For that, Google Git. Click this website. Here, click the Download for Windows button. Click here to download the latest version. An exe file will be downloaded. Double-click the file to install it. Click Next. Keep the default options and click Next. Click Next. Keep the default options and click Next. Keep clicking Next several times on the next screens. Now, click Install. At the end, click Finish. Once Git is installed, you may see such a page. Close it. Now, we need to check if Git has been correctly installed on our system or not. For that, open a command prompt and type git version. If you see the version number of Git mentioned, then that means Git is perfectly installed. Now, we need to configure our username and email ID in Git. To configure the username, type this command in the command prompt. I have mentioned this command in the description box, you may copy it from there. Write your desired username in double quotes. I have already set my username, so I'm not going to repeat this step. Once you have configured the username, let's check it. To check the username, type the following command in the prompt. See, this is my username, it.wala. Now, we need to configure our email ID. To configure the email ID, write this command in the command prompt. I have mentioned this command in the description box, you may copy it from there. Once you have configured the email ID, let's check it. To check the email ID, type the following command in the prompt. See, this is my email ID. Remember that you have to use the same email ID while creating an account on GitHub. Okay. Now, Git has been installed on our computer. The next thing to do is to create an account on the GitHub website. For that, Google GitHub and click this website. On this web page, click the Sign Up button and create an account. Remember to use the same email ID that we have configured while setting up the Git. Now, your GitHub account must be ready. The last thing we have to install is the VS Code IDE. For that, Google VS Code. Click this website. Click Download for Windows and install it. Okay, now we have all the things installed in order to begin to learn Git. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.